Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a data drive on Windows. First, let's understand what a data drive is and why it's beneficial. It's essentially a dedicated space for your files, separate from your main system drive. This separation helps improve performance and makes backups easier. We'll begin by identifying your data drive and preparing it for its first use, ensuring it's ready to store all your important documents and media. Now that your drive is initialized, the next crucial step is formatting it. This process prepares the drive to accept files by creating a file system. For most Windows users, NTFS is the recommended choice, offering robust features and support for very large files. You can also create multiple partitions, effectively dividing your single physical drive into several logical ones, which is excellent for organizing your data into distinct categories. With your data drive formatted and ready, let's talk about daily usage. Storing files is straightforward. Simply drag and drop them or use the copy-paste function. A well-organized folder structure is key to finding your files quickly later on. Consider creating top-level folders for broad categories like documents, photos, or projects. Also, remember to periodically check your drive's free space to ensure you always have room for new data. Finally, let's cover some advanced tips for maintaining your data drive. Always have a robust backup strategy in place for your most important files. Consider using an external drive or cloud storage. For traditional hard drives, defragmentation can improve performance, though it's not needed for solid-state drives. Regularly running error-checking tools can help identify and resolve minor issues before they become major problems, ensuring your data remains safe and accessible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.